Directorate of Environment and Climate Change is on the verge of unveiling an early warning system aimed at mitigating the effects of climate change. In an exclusive interview with SKTV News, Dr. T. Brajkumar, the director of the department, emphasized the necessity of this initiative in detecting and staying abreast of abrupt weather fluctuations. He underscored that the department has undertaken the launch of their system to provide early warnings for climate-related events.
Climate events in forecasting say unpredicted or by talks exams haragadi. Massima sing Thor Edun Sokana Yang Levidia Domina, Apoina Lumjens Yom Sangyam Sing Hagadi. Kutakotoki Atu and a prioritize and PB Kanda, state government suere, Praza suere, any all the stakeholder priority PB Rakanda, Magi Hanatohum Topa. Matho say early warning system. Early warning system is only climate event kakinatna even health sector dosu say malaria prone or epizagani. Malaria throating about early warning system thambatai. Dengue you with thambatai. Flood thopazaga flood ki thambatare early warning system. Landslide thopazaga landslide early warning system thambiye. Smatra magi thambam thoposit thamgani khali to akhoisu department ke su akhoi kan namadugi tractor akhoi am changsali hatare akhoi else climate events in early warning system de akhoi khara propose tawna de khotna koi sanction le hai tare